Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2022 Ford Transit Connect equipped with the Driverge rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the liftgate, and then you can use this lever here to unlock the ramp, and you can bring it straight out like so. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. Over here you will have the wheelchair user, and in the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people, and then of course you have driver and passenger. Let's go ahead and bring up the ramp. You will lift it up like this, push it in, make sure it's locked, and then close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. You can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this one is going to have 23,000 miles. It will also have a backup camera with a reverse beep. Here is the view of the front. This one is going to have the vinyl seats. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.